Where are we going today?
Farm.
The farm?
Yeah.
What are we going to feed there?
Cereal.
We're going to feed the animals some cereal?
Yeah.
What else?
Mango.
No.
Things for breakfast.
Here's it for breakfast. That's right. What are we going to feed the animals?
Cereal.
Yes.
And what else?
What else?
What else for feeding?
What do we feed to the horses?
Carrots.
Carrots, and what else?
Pickles.
We're going to feed pigs. What other animals are we going to feed?
Pigs.
Pigs. What, do you want to ride a pony? That'll be so fun. Hey, let's go finish getting dressed so we can go.